guys, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today marks the 6th day of African cookie Palooza, so I hope you enjoy this cookie too. And today we're going to Egypt and we're going to make Egyptian butter cookies or shortbread cookies. And it's very easy to make with just 3 main ingredients, and you have a delicious cookie on your table. So let's get into the recipe. Today cookies is an Egyptian shortbread cookies, also known as Ghorayeba in Egyptian language. And it uses 3 main ingredients: flour, clarified butter, powdered sugar. So these are the 3 main ingredients. And just to enrich the dough, I add in a little bit 2 tablespoons of powdered milk and a little bit of vanilla extract, the nuts for the decoration before baking. This is homemade clarified butter, which is also known as ghee. You can also buy it from the store, but sometimes it's a bit pricier. This is very easy to make as well. So let me know if you would like to know how to make clarified butter at home, and I will make a video on that and link it below. All right, let's get into the recipe. So first I'm going to measure 1 cup of the clarified butter and whip it till it becomes creamy. And there we have our Egyptian cookies. I hope you guys will like it and give it a try as well. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.